Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use FluentU for real-world content, complete guide step-by-step clearly. To begin using FluentU for real-world content, first, create an account on the FluentU website or app. Next, select the language you want to learn. Once you've chosen your language, browse through the available real-world videos, such as music videos, movie trailers, and news clips. Click on a video that interests you. As the video plays, pay attention to the interactive subtitles. These subtitles provide definitions and usage examples for unfamiliar words. You can hover over any word to see its meaning and hear the pronunciation. Take note of any new vocabulary that stands out to you. After watching the video, explore the vocabulary flashcards that FluentU generates. These flashcards will help reinforce what you've learned from the video. Use the quiz feature to test your understanding of the new words. This feature offers various types of questions to reinforce your knowledge. You can also track your progress within the app. Check the progress statistics to see how many words you've learned. Return to the vocabulary list to review or practice the words you struggled with. Utilize the search bar to find specific topics or types of videos that interest you. Engage with the community by discussing what you've learned in the comments section. Try to incorporate the new vocabulary into your conversations. As you continue practicing, revisit videos you've watched previously. This will help reinforce your learning and increase retention. Regularly set aside time each week to explore and learn new content. Take advantage of FluentU's personalized recommendations based on your interests. By consistently engaging with real-world content, you'll improve your language skills effectively. Enjoy the process of learning through authentic materials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.